Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Learning with a Difference news headlines in English for 22nd of August. And first of all, national news. IAF fighter jet inadvertently released air store near Pokhran, inquiry ordered. India's second 700 megawatt nuclear power caps 4 plant started operation at full capacity. Defense Minister Rajnath Singh to visit US as mega defense deals near conclusion. Greatest threat to humanity, Jagdeep Dhankar called on countries to combat climate change. AIMS Delhi constitutes two committees to assess safety measures at campus. India ready to face challenges to take advantage of fourth industrial revolution, President Murmu. Seasoned bureaucrat Govind Mohan to take charge as Union Home Secretary. International news. Sheikh Hasina faced 33 cases after ouster from Bangladesh. Tanker adrift after multiple attacks in the Red Sea, UK Maritime Agency. Russia stopped Ukrainian drones fired at Moscow during massive attack. And we hope for early return of peace, stability in region. PM Modi ahead of Ukraine visit. Now some sports news. Jay Shah, front runner to take over as ICC chairman. CQ Field Cup. Yukesh drew with Nepomniachtchi. Now news related to business. Commerce Minister Piyush Goyal blasts assertion that e-commerce has low impact on employment. Top global ranking for RBI governor, recognition of his leadership, PM Modi. SEBI proposed review of rights issue norms. Outward remittances under LRS dropped 44% in June on global headwinds, TCS. And that's all in news. Thank you.